Luscombe Suzuki Leeds is present for sale this lovely Suzuki SX4 4x4. I'll walk you around the vehicle. The vehicle's only done 18,700 miles, is in immaculate condition. No signs of any wear, no signs of any damage. A really nice finish to the vehicle, good ground clearance, plenty of leg and headroom, easy to get in and out of. Alloy wheels, again in very good condition. Door side mouldings for protection. This vehicle also comes with keyless start, keyless entry for easy access. This vehicle's a 4x4. Plenty of boot space, boot in very good condition, carpets in very good condition. For the age of the vehicle, this vehicle's extremely low mileage. As mentioned, only covered just about 18,700 miles, just over 18,700. Again, no signs of any damage, no scratches. The vehicle's been HPI'd, checked for any damages, any finance, all clear. Just to show you inside the vehicle. Interior in very good condition. And just to show you on the steering wheel has controls for your volume controls for the CD radio, as well as a mode to change from stations to stations. As mentioned, this vehicle has a keyless start. For infotainment, we have AM, FM, CD, climate control to keep you nice and chilled. Going into the center, an easy to use, accessible four-wheel drive system. So we have an option of two-wheel drive, automatic to let it choose as and when it's required four-wheel drive, or the option of locking the four-wheel drive so it's always on for you for your extra grip and protection. Inside the vehicle is in excellent condition. Plenty of storage, as mentioned, easy to get in and out of. Nice ground clearance. Front and rear electric windows. This vehicle will leave with two remote keys. Prior to leaving, this vehicle will leave with a full service, full MOT, which will be carried out by our Suzuki approved technicians. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you'd like to have a test drive or have a closer viewing of the vehicle or have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call. We look forward to hearing and seeing you soon. Thank you.